What's good everybody? Is your boy David again and I'm back with another video. So andito ako ngayon sa labas ng CBTL. Mag-react tayo dito kay Lucky Nicole. Itong si Lucky, na-react ko na to sa mga short videos niya sa TikTok, no, many times in the past. So if gusto niyo makita, nasa TikTok yung iba kong reaction niya ng mga short clips performances and nasa Facebook ko din. Okay? So ngayon, nagulat ako and I'm very thrilled and excited na makita siya ngayon dito sa Tawag ng Tanghalan. So it's TNT Season 9. It's a regular season. It's not about rest back or something like that. Okay? This was May 31, 2025. Hindi lang ako sure if ito yung kauna-unahan niyang performance dito sa TNT. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video, and don't forget to follow me on my Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram. Let's go. Ooh.
You believe that we find love together happily, and after all of time, you think that I'm still the one to give you love and to, so bring it home to
I just want to say this, na yung confidence level niya, yung aura niya sa stage ay parang kay Carmel Collado. Parang Carmel Collado yung dating niya. Kinabahan yung ano niya, yung katapat niya eh, no? Ooh, Sharon Reyes to eh. Galing. May angle din siya na para siyang si Sherin. Ewan ko lang kung mag-agree kayo sa akin pero yeah. Eto na yung mga itong climax. Money Notes. Ang tapang. Nice. Woo. Okay, meron dun. May vocal strain. May flat ng konti. Okay. Ang tapang. Nice. I don't want to sound biased pero I just want to give her grace, no? Kasi nga sobrang taas nito. Like it's a piece from Sherin Reyes, if hindi ako nagkakamali Come On In Out of the Rain. Sobrang taas nito guys. Pero gusto ko ring i-point out na yes, may vocal strain doon. Narinig natin, no? Dalawa or tatlong beses na may flat, and the second one is actually the very obvious one, yung napa ganun si Sir Louie, no? Aside from that, she is a vocal beast, no? Ang ganda ng quality, medyo manipis yung quality ng boses niya, but the way she maneuvers and the way she modulates her voice, talagang ano siya, palaban, no? And she's a risk taker. And alam naman natin na dito sa show, dito sa mga singing contest na katulad ng Tawag na Tanghalan, risk takers like her, no? Talagang may chance na mag-champion, no? Kasi if you always just dwell in your comfort zone, di ka lumalabas, no? I think the one example siguro na mai-mention ko ay yung si Arvery, no? Arvery is a great singer, pero yun nga, medyo nagkulang siya sa paglabas sa kanyang comfort zone. Magaling talaga siya dun sa mga melancholic, slow, ballad, soulful, yet may mga birit ng konti, di ba? Magaling talaga si Arvery, but parang nakulangan tayo. Ako, to be honest, nakulangan ako. It's because same lang na genre yung kinakanta niya, but in that genre, she's really great, no? So, itong ganito, katulad nila Elaine Duran, katulad nila Carmel, no, like Estrella, talagang palaban, no? Lumalabas sila sa kanilang comfort zone to prove na talagang versatile and they have this star quality that they can sing and perform any song, any piece na ibigay mo sa kanila. I'm very impressed kay Lucky and hopefully makita natin siya sa Grand Finals. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the One Piece out, everybody. So medyo nagmamadali ako magsalita kasi medyo na-awkward ako ng konti, no? Kasi ang daming nakatingin sa akin, no? Behind this camera. Anyway, that's it. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace.